morning, Zimbabwe. Good morning, Africa. This is Dr. Wesa Machena Manake Shakari, Tinagure Africa. Tripanopa Zambezi, Victoria Falls. And by the way, COVID is around, yes, but we must wear our masks correctly. You must thank the spirits of your ancestors, the spirits of the land where you are. Kunokwatiri ku Victoria Falls. This is a land yana shokodzam vana makudo mapembe tinotenda mondoro motenda varidzi nzvimbo dzamunogara in a prayer motenda varidzi nyika ana mbuya nehanda ana chaminuka ana kaguya ana shaka nevaridzi vemadziva, because without water we are all dead and buried, so we must pay tribute to water. God bless you, Mambo. And we are here at the Zambezi in Victoria Falls, so you must ask the spirits of the land to connect you with your ancestors from the mother side and father side, because God chose that particular womb for you to be born. So mnofana kutenda vadzimu vekwamai, ancestors from the mother side and father side, then ask them to put your prayers to Jesus and God on your behalf for you to find direction in this world. Just now unaenda kuchechi, we are not discriminating any churches or this or that governments. We tested to one direction because we are mad with a spiritual issue, a COVID, not other spiritual resolution. God bless you. And by the way, here in Victoria Falls, I tell you, we are just less than a kilometer from the mighty Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. We are a spectacular nation. In here, we are bonded with spectacularity. But unfortunately so, Victoria Falls is 85% tourist bonded people who depend on tourists that come from outside the world. So right now they are stuck, Mambo. So please, can you help them in this COVID era? Because my tourists, maybe they will come after 1 year or so, whatever, or 2 years, but we must thank Varkuli Danika, all those spirits, and all that. So we find direction, Jesus. Thank you, Kasambabezi. Thank you, Zambezi. I'm going to dance to a very nice Mira song. The musicians and Victoria Falls, and that's Zambia on the other side. Tualumba loko. Tualumba means in Tonga. Thank you. So I want to thank everyone in the world. Good. Tatenda tapinda mnyika. Have a good Christmas. This is Wake Up Zimbabwe. Mukaiwa na Zimbabwe na Africa. Mutenda vadzimwanyi na mwari kuti musunungurwe pazvitiko zveCOVID. Mugeze ne natural waters, because my natural waters anobvisa spiritual negativity. Mugeze ne 1 bucket of water, half cup of milk, soda ne fodya yebute. Mugeze miri wese musina sipo nembatya dzamune makapfeka mubvise COVID. That's a special message to all of you all over the world. So thanks Zimbabwe and thank Africa. We're gonna dance, because if you don't dance, and the rain is gonna follow. Zimbabwe. We must thank the rain queens. So we get a lot of water in Zimbabwe and all over the world, so they can wash all the COVID away. And God bless you. Spiritual resolution. Garaina nyika dzenyu culture, ancestors, mother side and father side. This has been got together. Thank you, videographer. I'm going to play my song, then we can dance. God bless Victoria Falls. God bless you. Amen. Oh. Oh. Yes. So perhaps we dance like everyone else. We're a beautiful nation, rainbow nation. Mbatana message. Together you will stand, divided you will fall. vagari vemuzimbabwe uyaiwo kuona Victoria Falls mubatsire vanhu vemuno nokuti havangafe nenzara kuriko vari masvingo Harare kumbi kunoona kanyemba so mupuhwe domestic rates discounted rates ite zvakanaka zviitiko muchichenja namadomestic rates nokuti covid itosungirira munhu wese asi you can still survive. God bless you, Zimbabwe. Without a proper prayer, even the best healing is nothing. So you must come for spiritual healing into the Victoria Falls, destined by Zimbabwe in Africa, because we've got a beautiful beginning. And we are struggling here through masks. We must wear them, yes, but we must also include our prayers. The correct way of worship is the right destiny to God. Because we lost and found property. God bless you, Zimbabwe. Airplay. We are in Victoria Falls, but as you know, No, this is a national park area. I'm talking about the demo Macroxy, but you must also think. Kneel down and kiss the floor. If you don't know what to do wherever you are, it's an identity. So you can bath in natural waters and drink natural medicines to work with the spiritual negativity, because we are all clustered in spiritual negativity. You know, to the ancestors, Jesus and God, then your churches we busy. Otherwise, we not blame our governments, this and this. Don't blame each other. Hold each other together and support each other in this COVID moment. God bless you, Zimbabwe, and God bless you, Victoria Falls. We've got a special nation. Somebody